In this video, I will be showing you how to add an admin on Facebook page. First, you need to launch your Facebook account. Kindly tap your profile, go down and look for Professional Dashboard. Click this one. Now, in the Professional Dashboard, you can see that there is page access there. So all you have to do is to click this one. And then in the page access, you can see people with Facebook access, add new. And then here, all you have to do is to read the instructions and then click next. For these people to be an admin or have access on your page, all you need to do is to search for their email address or their name on Facebook. Once it appears, all you have to do is to click the name. And then after that, it will take you to this. Read the instruction carefully and you can just simply slide it to the right, whatever the task or access you want that person to have. For example, the insights, let's just say the messages. I slide it to the right. Also, the insights, I slide it to the right. So that means this person will have the access of those things. For security purposes, you need to type your password again. Once done, click confirm. And here you have. Go back to your profile, click Professional Dashboard, scroll down, click Page Access, and here you go. This is the name of the person, and he or she has the access to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.